You've been struggling and spending hours designing your storefront. On top of that, you want to create a beautiful stores that actually drive sales. But coding just isn't your strength. Meet GemPages. Design professional Shopify stores in minutes, no code needed. Build any page effortlessly with GemPages' powerful drag-and-drop editor. Trusted by over 165,000 Shopify stores worldwide. With over 450 expertly crafted templates based on proven CRO principles. Perfectly compatible with the latest Shopify themes. AI-powered image to layout. Just upload an image and get a full page in seconds. Maximize revenue with smart upsells and post-purchase funnels. GemPages connects you to 160+ top app partners, turning your store into a high-converting sales engine. Need help getting started? Choose a professional template or chat with our 24/7 support team anytime. Become your own expert and skyrocket your sales today with GemPages, the powerful, conversion-focused page builder.